Welcome back to Libacan. In today's video, I'm installing the off-grid toilet system in a little mini cabin or outhouse. The compost toilet technology I'm using is the 90-liter system from Green Loo, a company specialized in off-grid toilet system. I've put the link in the description if you want to check it out. I started this project a few weeks ago by putting together this little cabin kit. If you're interested in the cabin build itself, go check out part 1 of this video. I'll probably combine them at some stage to show the entire compost setup from beginning to end. But for now, I'll show you the setup of the actual system. It's an odor-free ventilated system. It comes with a little set of instructions to follow along. It shouldn't be too hard. Let's get going. So as a first step, I'm going to place the toilet here and to make sure I have enough space underneath. So I'm going to drill a hole in the middle to have an idea where it lands at the bottom. For this step, Green Loo provides a little template to put on the floor to make sure you're cutting the floor hole in the right location and of the right size. For the ventilation, the setup comes with a little fan to be powered either by main electricity or with a little solar kit. We went with the solar kit as the cabin is in the middle of the forest and we want to make it fully off-grid and self-sufficient. The vent piping is quite straightforward, but I'd rather laying it all out on the ground first to make sure I understand how it all fits together. now that I understand how it all connects, I'm ready to set it all on the wall, but not without testing which way the ventilator first works, to avoid creating the opposite effect for others.
Fortunately today I don't have the saw, the electric saw to cut the metal and silicone to let the pipe go through. So I'm just gonna set it at this height for now, and then I'll come back here with the saw and having it shoot out at least 40-50 centimeters above the cabin, so that the others just go in the air. So the compost toilet are mostly done by now, just a few little final touches to do, which I'll do another day, but slowly but surely this little cabin setup is coming along. Thanks again to Green Loo for the toilet setup, really easy to install, and thanks again for supporting this channel. And thanks as well to Stila for this little cabin kit, again really easy to install as well.
Thanks for watching. Put a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe if you don't want to miss what's next. I'll continue work on the cabin off-grid setup with kitchen and shower projects next.